Welcome to the Teak Phuket, a stylish collection of high-quality pool villas in the popular Pasak area of Chiang Talay. Located just 5 to 10 minutes drive from everything you need: Boat Avenue Mall, Villa Market, Porto de Phuket, Laguna Complex, Head Start International School, and the stunning Bathtub Beach. Choose between 3 or 4 bedroom layouts, each spread across 2 levels with a sleek modern design. Staying true to its name, the teak features genuine teak wood furniture and a beautiful teak facade, adding warmth and attractive style to the space. Every villa is built with quality and attention to detail, featuring a good-sized private swimming pool, spacious terrace, and a poolside roofed lounge, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. With its great location, peaceful community, and comfortable layout, this villa is perfect for any lifestyle. This is your chance to own a brand new villa in one of Phuket's most sought-after residential locations. A ready-to-move-in unit is available now. Contact us today for more details.